Welcome to your most authoritative Chi learning program, Learn Chi with Opoku. In this edition, we are going to talk about what? Simple present tense. Da Kabea in Chi. How do we construct sentences in simple present tense in Chi? This is what we are going to learn, so stay tuned. Welcome back. In Chi, the simple present tense is constructed by joining the pronoun with the verb. You remember when we were learning the Chi grammar, one of the rules was that when you get a pronoun that is acting as a subject of a verb, you write both the pronoun and the verb together. Do you remember that? Yes, that is what is happening right now. So if you are making a statement in the simple present tense in Chi, all that you need to do is to write the pronoun together with the verb. But here we are saying the pronoun because if you use the proper noun, you will not join it with what? The verb. For instance, if I want to use the verb to go in Chi is what? Ko. So if I want to say I go, every day I go. This is what? Simple present. And so if I want to say I go, I will write I, which is what? Me. I is me in Chi. And then to go is what? Ko. So I will say me ko. However, if I should use the proper noun, like say Kwame. Kwame is a name given to a person born on Saturday. So if I want to say Kwame goes, I will say Kwame ko. Kwame ko school. Kwame goes to school. Here, take note, I wrote Kwame separately from the verb ko. Because I am using the proper noun, or I will not join the noun and the verb. But once I'm using pronoun, then I will join the pronoun with the verb. I think it's quite clear now. So we're talking about using pronouns together with the verbs. In simple present tense, we write the pronoun and the verb together. So we are finished with the first one. Let's take another singular pronoun. That is wo, you, wo. That is you, singular. Wo. And let's use the same verb, ko. In simple present tense, we will say woke up, you go, woke up. Let's talk about he or she, and that is ono. Ono, as we know, one of the rules that we learn is that when we have ono acting as a subject to a verb, what happens is that ono loses the no, the no, and then we get or, we then add the verb to it. So in this case, ono plus ko will become what? Oko. That is, ono loses the no, and then we get the or, we add the ko to it. So we say oko. He goes or she goes. This is in the simple present tense. Let's take eno. That is it. It goes. If you want to say it goes, eno, as you also know, will lose the no, and we'll get only the and we'll add the verb to it. So eno plus ko will get what? Eko, and that is it goes. This is also in the simple present tense. Let's take some of the plural pronouns. Let's start with what? Yen, we, yen. Yen and then one, you remember? Yen, we, and then one day. We learned that when they are acting as a subject to a verb, what happens is that they lose the n that ends each of them, and then the verb is what? Added to it. So yen we'll lose the N and it will become ye. So if we add the verb ko, that is go, to it, then it becomes yeko. Yeko, we go. Yeko, we go. Good. What about mo? That is you in plural. Mo. Mo plus ko will get what? Moko. Moko, you go. Moko. So the main point here is that saying something in the simple present tense in Twi, all that you need to do is to add the pronoun together with the verb. You don't do anything with the verb. You add it with the pronoun. So if we take day, that is one day, one plus ko. First of all, one will lose the N, and then it will become wo, and then you add the ko, and we get what? Woko. Woko. They go. They go. So these are some of the examples in simple present tense in Twi. Let's take another verb also and then run it through with some of the pronouns. For example, ye, to do. So if I want to say I do exercise, I do exercise, I will say, you know, I is me, and then do is what? Ye. So I will say me ye exercise every day. Me ye exercise de biara. Me ye exercise de biara. That is, I do exercise every day. So me ye. Good. And then let's take you, wo. Wo plus ye will get what? Wo ye exercise. Wo ye exercise. You do exercise. Wo ye exercise. In fact, exercise in Twi is what? Apom atene. But for the sake of learning, that is why I'm using exercise, but not apom atene. Exercise. Good. Let's take day. Day we know is one. One will lose the N, and then it will be what? Woye. Woye. Woye exercise. Woye exercise. Good. So this is how you can construct Twi in simple present tense. Whatever verb that you may use, you make sure that if you are matching it with the first person singular pronoun like me, what you have to do is that you add it to the verb me, ko, me. Yes. So the main point here is that saying something in the simple present tense in Twi, all that you need to do is to add the pronoun together with the verb. You don't do anything with the verb. You add it with the pronoun.